In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a new product. There's two ways that you can do this. You can either go to the Add New symbol at the top of the page and then select Product, and that will give you a completely fresh product. Or we can cheat a little bit, make things a little bit quicker, and we can select a similar dress that we've done before. Click on the dress, click on Edit Product, and then over the right hand side here you can either do duplicate this or copy to a new draft. We're going to click copy to a new draft because it will open the page up of the copy for us straight away. So click on copy. Now it is very easy to edit over the product that is not a copy. So to check that you are editing the copied version, you'll see at the top here in the title it's got in brackets copy. So then what we're going to do is we're going to create a new dress. So let's call this, I don't know, Rosie maxi dress. But you can see here that it's not updated there. So we'll copy that, Control and C, click Edit, paste that into there and press OK. Now on this dress here, we have got all of the sizes up to size 20 in there. Now if we are only offering this up to size 16, we don't necessarily need to show the size chart for all of that. So if we click on the text, scroll down, there's where size 16 finishes. So you want to start with this TR here, which covers size 18 and size 20, and finish with the /TR there and hit delete so that they're gone. So now if we were to click back on the visual side, you'll see on the table now it only shows size 16. So going round clockwise, you would then go in here to change the picture of what dress you want. Let's pretend that we're setting this one up. To get rid of these pictures here, we can press the X's on there, and then we can add the rest of the pictures of the dress on here. So if we click on the first one and hold Shift, click on the last one, it will select all 4 of them for us, and click Add to Gallery. Now what I'd like is I would like the whole full length back of the dress to show first, so I can just click and drag that to the position I want, and then I can rearrange the rest of them however I like. Scroll down to the next section and uncheck any of the categories that don't apply to this one. Maybe that one doesn't apply, maybe Christmas does apply, and just make sure that they are all correct. Keep scrolling down and we'll go down to the product short description. This hasn't got one, so we can write a little short description in here. Ooh. Scroll up a little bit. We'll set to variable product, which is fine. So we go on to attributes and click on size. Remember, we was only going up to size 16 on this, and the last dress went all the way up to 24. So we just delete those last bits on there. And then color, we've got lots of colors in here, so maybe we don't have all these colors, maybe these ones aren't needed. So we'll just delete those, and then we'll click Save Attributes. Now we'll go to Variations. Now it's already created a load of variations for us because we copied that previous product, but we want to start completely fresh. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Bulk Actions and delete all variations. Click OK twice, and it will delete all of those variations for us. Now we can generate the new variations. So if we click Generate Variations, it will automatically do it for us, or we can add them manually. I would recommend that you do it automatically because there's quite a lot of variations because of the amount of sizes and the amount of colors on here. This will create only 50 at a time, so we might need to do this a few times. So click Generate Variations, click OK. It's generated those variations for us. You can see we've got 4 pages. So if we scroll to the 4th page, you can see 16 goes up to navy. And what was our last colour? Our last colour was navy, so that's okay. So that's generated all of those variations for us. If it hadn't, and there was more sizes and more colours to go, we would just click regenerate variations, and then it would do it for us. Bulk actions, set regular prices, and type in your value for whatever that dress might be. I'm going to pick in £165. And you can now see that it's added the price for us in here. Now, if you did want to put this dress on sale, you could put that dress on sale by typing in here a sale price. So maybe instead of £165, it's on offer at £99. You can also schedule when you want that sale to start and when you want that sale to finish. So that's a really cool feature that we can add on there, and I believe I've added some graphics on there so that when you do set a dress to a sale, it will put a little graphic over the picture on the front end, which will then tell you that that dress is for sale. As these are different colours, just you can click on the picture there and you can select the pink colour. Obviously this is not a real dress, this is just one that I'm clicking just to show you that that's what you can do. And again, in here you can manage your stock, so do all of that on an individual level if you wanted to. Once you're finished, remember to click on Save Changes. Scroll to the top. Now at the moment this isn't published, this is in draft. So if you don't want this to go directly out to the public, you can click on Save Draft, so that then you've saved the product as a new product. And if you want to see it at the front end, you can click on Preview. This will then open up a new tab, and we can now see what it's going to look like on the front end. So Rosie Maxi dress, £165. Here's the various sizes that we've got, and then we can choose the different colours. And so there's the pink one that we chose. It's currently out of stock because I did set a sale thing for this and did manage stock on it, and I didn't put a stock value in, so that's why it's shown out of stock. So if we choose a different colour, it should then show that it is in stock. Now, you will not see the additional pictures down here all the time that you have selected a variation. So if we stick it back to choose an option, this is what loads up first, and now you can see the other pictures that are in there, so people then can click through and see the rest of the pictures. Once you're happy with that and you're ready to publish it, click on Edit Product again, and then you can then click Publish there. Now, as this is just a demo, I'm going to move it to the bin because we don't want people accidentally buying a dress that does not exist. So there we go, that's now moved to the bin and it's all done. Right, so that's how we create a new product inside WooCommerce.